Hey traders from all over the world, this is Jeremy Alexander Newsom with Real Life Trading. Hope you're doing absolutely sensational. It is indeed marvelously magnificent Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. Got a lot of things accomplished. Had a good time on Friday night. Saturday night got a lot of tennis and UFC action in. On Sunday got a lot of good barbecuing action in with Team Nashville. So yeah, this weekend was really good. So today had the opportunity to go to Franklin Christian Academy and chat with some eager young adults about trading and talk about technical analysis, and it was exuberantly excellent. I absolutely loved it. Phenomenal. Kids Month couldn't be going any better at all. Let's check out the general market really quick. So what I'm going to do in this particular review is we'll look at SPY and Apple. We'll review some swing trades really quick, and then I'll hop into some day trade action. So SPY, still nice little white candle today. So we closed above where we opened. 5 up days in a row, at least from the open. When we open, we close above the open, so 5 bullish days. So again, I still think this candle and this candle have a lot of similarities. Both of those candles occur on Friday. Both of them are white. Both of them are after big up days. Both of them have kind of high wave candles. And then, ironically enough, the next day is an inside day candle. So boom. So tomorrow, I'm kind of anticipating another little lower low, kind of like a flag pennant pattern action potentially tomorrow / Wednesday. And then likely looking to buy that dip and then try to probably trade it back up into about 204, 205. I think that's kind of my March 2016 target on SPY. As right now, we're just kind of battling this very, very strong 200 strong resistance area on SPY. So definitely a battle going on SPY for sure. Tesla, had the opportunity to unravel Tesla very successfully. Tesla did hit our targets today. Had a bear call spread on Tesla, as most of you are aware. And it really worked kind of just too perfect, honestly. 195, 200 bear call spread. We unraveled on this day, on the 2nd of March. The short options had to buy back for about $5.65, give or take. And on average, sold the long options today for about $12 or so. So very, very successful unravel on Tesla. Made about 180 times more than I was anticipating. But yeah, it was looking good. So really, really good unravel in Tesla. Trade to the 100 simple moving average. And now, honestly, we'll probably battle around here. Trade sideways a little bit. Battling this very, very strong old support, new resistance area. Right about 203 on Tesla. So from here, probably expect a little bit of a pullback and then maybe bounce higher on Tesla. I'm not entirely sure, but it looks really good. So I want to give a few shout outs to Rick King and Jason Chase, who just absolutely Babe Ruthed this particular stock, SCOR. This is one that came up in some early morning scanners for a gap. You can see gap action was a nice bearish gap and go. So you had a nice little flag pattern here. Last 2 days were white, gap down below the pivots, trapping a few traders. Once it broke the 52-week low, it was gone. Absolutely gone. Jason got about over 6R on that trade. Great job, buddy. Rick King had a nice little payday on that one as well. That's absolutely phenomenal. Another shout out to 2 other traders today. Amanda Bennett. Amanda is a brand new real life trader, ladies and gentlemen. She's the wife of Sean Bennett. Sean's an active trader in the trading room. But Amanda just started learning trading and learning day trading about in January sometime and made her first paper trade today on ICON, just about 2 months later. So Amanda, great job. She scored 2R on this bad boy. A very, very simple bullish retest gap, right? White candle, gapped up. There's your double bottom. Forget about it. Close above this neckline and just kind of continued. Very similar trade that Michael took. So Michael, Amanda, great trade on Iconics brand. I didn't take that one at all today. In fact, the ones I took, first 2 trades were losers. Took a symbol MU, Micron Technology. Micron was a really good gap early this morning and just never did anything. It did a little bit of this, came up, shorted the pullback, and it just never rolled over. So we ended up getting stopped out right about there for half an R loss. Then a few traders made a coin or two as it broke that little support right there, that little flush. Some traders made a little bit of money on that one. And then Dunkin' Donuts took its sweet time to do something today. It gapped down, traded up, came down and was looking to short as of a rollback up in here. Didn't work. Lost a full R on that trade. And then, of course, thanks to my buddy in Gainesville, Dean Chance. Ticker symbol JAH. Here's what we're looking at on that one. Here was the daily chart. So JAH was forming an evening star reversal earlier today. Daily, little bit of a support right there, about 54.70. And that's what we were looking at for a low of the day break. Here's your 5-minute chart on JAH. and this was the setup that most took. So here's kind of your low of the day. There's the breakdown. There's a little bit of an add and reduce. So the afternoon, morning trading room got about 2.8 R on JAH to end the day profitably. Shout outs to Brad and Dean and all the others who traded that one. So a good day today in the trading room. Great afternoon. Had a lot to talk about. Talked about a very highly requested topic in Mentorship Monday, which was today in the afternoon room. Those who subscribe will get a copy of the recording, but it was about buying out of the money options. So we're really excited about that. Tomorrow we have a new kids webinar entitled How to Get What You Want. If you have kids, make sure to send them our way. It is entirely free, no sales pitch. If you want the link, make sure to ask me for it. I will get it to you. But it's going to be in all the emails and all over social media, because that's what we do. We're in social media. If you have any questions or any stock that you want me to review for you personally, feel free to message me on Facebook. You can email me, jeremy@reallifetrading.com. You can message me on Twitter, @NewSomeNuggets, LinkedIn, Facebook. We do all that kind of cool stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for watching this real life stock review. I'll see you Wednesday, and until then, remember, love life, live life, and trade. See ya.